I wake up every morning, opening my Instagram page. If you likes or comment, question if I'm enough. Time flies, get stagnant. I wanna focus on my own, cause I'm too glad to give a damn. I just let the good time rolls, my life much more fun than yours. Happy girls are British. He says he loves me, wanna be with me. He took time to realize that I'm not an intern. Intern in your life.
Kembalikan lagi.
Not intern in your life. In your life. Not intern in your life. Intern in your
Aja,
life.
tersenyumlah, biar manis, biar beautiful. Lihatlah masa depan, dari semua kau harus tetap strong. Abaikan saja, yang gak penting abaikan saja. You ini pribadi, dengarkanlah Pretty Girl, L-I-F-E.
I've seen your attitude recently. It seems like you're busy and you're trying to avoid me. I just want you to know that you don't need to try. Just let me know, cause I'm too glam to give a damn. Why so worried of being pretty? Let's be pretty kind, pretty funny, pretty smart, pretty strong. Because I